So obviously with the woodwork and stuff like that, you know, you obviously will have to cut your wood. You have the circular saw, you have the reciprocating saw, or you have the jigsaw. All of them, they can be cordless, or you have the corded version. The cordless version is much more popular lately because of the technology that we are using. You know, the technology that we use is obviously from Milwaukee with the red link, where the battery actually talking to the machine. Okay. So again, like this is a small 18 volt, you know, this is the impact driver, same battery, it can work on that one, you know, if you know what I'm saying, you know. So the main thing is that with the technology is you don't have to buy a lot of batteries, you just buy the machines. We call this, if you take it off like this, we call it a zero version. So you buy maybe the first one like this with 2 batteries, a charger, and thereafter you can buy everything, just the machine, because it is better price-wise. Okay.
Yeah, this doesn't come with a price on the back.
This is the impact driver. It's actually very nice with the right accessory that we have. You can actually put screws in wood very, very quickly and stuff like that. You know. So for your thing with the pallets, like you asked.
So this drives screw.
Can drive screws, everything like that. Yeah. It is.
It's only for driving, not for removing.
No, but you can remove as well. You've got your reverse, you've got your forward, reverse, whatever, you know. So you can remove that as well. This is impact. But otherwise, if a person come with a normal drill driver, you'll drive it in, but the impact driver will go it's in like that type of thing. So obviously for you that use the pallets, you obviously have to cut the pallet the size you want it. You can use a circular saw, you can use a reciprocating saw, or you can use the jigsaw. Okay. After you cut your pallet, for example, you want to put it in the wall, you know, against a wall like you want to. So obviously you first have to drill a hole in the wood. So you just have a normal percussion drill. You can use, you know, you can use 12 volt, you can use 18 volt. But because you're on 18 volt already, you stick to the same platform because it's better.
Okay. So
because 12 volt have a different battery, you know. So the main thing is that so if you go 18 volt, I'll stick to 18 volt because it's safer. You save money on that one. So then you drill a hole with the. Let me show you quickly. You know, into the wood. Okay. This can go into the concrete as well with a concrete bit. You obviously put your plug there and you drill it. You know, put it in there as well. You know, the difference between the percussion drill and maybe your rotor hammer is that the percussion drill, if you drill 10 mil, you will drill 10 mil. If you use the rotor hammer, for example, to drill there, your 10 mil will be maybe 11.5 maybe, you know what I'm saying, because of the big rotor hammer action and stuff like that, you know. And yeah, that's it, you know, you can do that one. But on woodwork, for example, we've got nailers guns if you want to do that, for example. You've got a blower. Yes, for example, a rotor hammer, for example, you know what I'm saying? Different amp hours. We have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 9, we have 12, whatever. But this one, for example, is nice and light because you can work even up in the roof and stuff like that.
This is how many amp hour?
This one is 5 amp hour. This one is 9. You can see the difference.
So
but
on something like this, what is it? The precision
percussion drill?
Yeah, percussion drill.
Where did I put it now?
On something like that, how many hours can you get on a 5 amp hour?
It depends obviously what you're going to do. You're only going to drill in wood and stuff like that. We normally give 2 batteries, but other words, you work with the other one's on charge, and depends how many screws you do. I think personally, if you have to work like this one, you will work for about 2 to 3 hours on one battery. How you read the battery anyhow is like this as well. You press the button there and you can see like this one is 2 charge. Again, what is nice about Milwaukee, if the battery goes flat, you know, like losing the power, the cells is now losing the power, you will still have the same performance until the last one. It's not like some of our competitors or so where the battery gets flat, the torque is getting lesser and lesser and lesser, if you know what I'm saying, you know. So yeah, definitely do that. And then obviously on the woodwork as well, you've got all these little nibblers and stuff like that you can use to cut maybe the wood on awkward places and stuff like that.
So it doesn't come with a drill, the bits.
The bits is separate. Sorry, But anyhow, this is just a kit, for example, you know, but you will have certain bits. But on on woodworking, you'll have the woodworking bits. You'll have the screwdriver bits, for example, for the driving and all that. This is all different accessories, if you know what I'm saying, that you can get. You can obviously use, so let's say, more other people's maybe drill bits, whatever, but the quality can maybe be different. Do you know what I'm saying? Because it's all about how you make it. Now we've got the shockwave bit, we've got the you know, the make sure that you don't break the, you know, when you have a screw that you have to, you know, the top part, that you don't damage it as well.
You wanted to show me the sander?
The sander, yeah. I just want to ask. I don't know. We didn't have the sander here. Hey, no, we don't have the sander, but I'll show you now.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing, because today we are running a draw. Okay, so this is your number. The other number you see is the same number, 452.
Okay.
So this one you will keep it with you in case you wasn't here when we do the draw. You can follow our Facebook page.
Okay.
It's on the card. So we will put the winning tickets there in case you wasn't available.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So you will get to win one of our tombola gifts.
Okay. Yeah, but I want to see what I can.
Yes.
You want the purchase now? Okay,
Yeah,
that's good. That's good. My name is Sean. I'm from South Africa. I'm the business development manager for Milwaukee for the Southern African markets, and I'm visiting Ghana, you know, to support our partner here. Okay, quickly about Milwaukee. Milwaukee started in 1924. You know, we have it's an American brand, and we are the world leaders in cordless tools. Cordless means obviously where there's a battery and not a corded type of thing. You know, on the cordless, you know, the whole world trend is going cordless. So if you look at the world trend, is about 65% already is in the cordless type of scenario. Okay, we have two platforms in Milwaukee. One is the 12 volt, which looks like this. It's a 12 volt battery. The other one is obviously the 18 volt, which work on a battery like this, if you know what I'm saying. If you look at the 12 volt, for example, the 12 volt, the battery just click in there, and obviously, you know, you can work it like that. You have a charger that can charge the 12 volt or the 18 volt batteries, if you know what I'm saying. So I don't have a charger here, but you know, anyhow, that's how it looks like. If you look at the 18 volt, bigger battery, this is how this platform looks like, and it is in like that. Okay. On 18 volt, we have 145 tools that work with one battery. So maybe I must repeat that. We have 145 tools, various different tools that work with one battery. Okay, so if you are a customer and you want to buy a tool, you will get two batteries and a charger with your tool. But now you want to buy another tool, let's say for example this tool, you don't have to buy batteries and charger because you already got two batteries and a charger. You can just buy the tool like this, and we call this a zero version. Okay, so with the Milwaukee, like I said, we've got 12 volt, 18 volt. With the 18 volt, we've got 145 tools working with one battery, and it makes it easy for the customer. We also have in our technology that we have in our batteries, we call it red link. So the red link means is that if you put your battery in, this is a brushless percussion drill. If you put it in here, it will talk to the machine how much Newton meter, you know, this machine needs to operate, if you know what I'm saying. So our big percussion drills, the fuel one, runs at about 135 Newton meter. Okay, so just to give you an idea, this is a brushless percussion drill. Okay, work like that. I can take it off, I can put it maybe on a blower. I put it on a blower, and I can, you know, just make it cooler and all things like that. Not really. Okay. So on the tools as well, we don't have all the tools here, but this is, for example, a blower that you can use to clean up after you've done the carpeting and all that type of thing. We've got nailers, the bigger nailer, you know, for the 18 volt platform. We've got drywall screwdrivers. You know, we've got jigsaws, if you can see there. Even for the automotive side or whatever, you can polish if you want to polish. You know, the hacksaw that you can use. And obviously, very popular for us is the impact wrenches that we have. This is the half-inch, 18-volt half-inch impact wrench. We have the 3/4, and we just launched the 1-inch impact wrench as well. Okay. With all of this, you know, we have certain accessories that can go actually with our tools, you know. And especially if you buy something from Milwaukee, it is always advisable to actually use a Milwaukee accessory because it has been tested and we know it works, if you know what I'm saying.
Let me tell you something, because some of the people, they do a mistake by changing it while it's working. Like you press it and it's working on drilling and you want to change it. Before that the armature stop, they are already changing it. So changing from one application to the other while the armature is still running, it's very harmful for the machine. That's why it have the 0. So when you are going from 1 to 1, this 0 is like a stop to the armature before you change the application and you start working in a different way with the machine. Okay, so this is the reason why you have 0 from the top and 0 from the other side. Yeah, from the hammer. No. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. You can do it. But you know, because it's just in the middle, okay? Okay.
All brushes, not all brushes.
Right?
No.
It's the same system.
I'll tell you this. Yeah, exactly. We have one battery for all, more than 145 machines with the same battery. This is the advantage with our tools. We have the brushless ones and we have the brushed ones. But the best thing to work with is the brushless ones.
The brush?
The brushless.
Yes.
The brushless. Because with the brushes, you have less maintenance with the brushes and you have more power. And because we have one battery for all this.
I'm sorry, but because they already tiered this one,
Ah,
this
yeah.
is your tombola number.
Okay.
Okay, we are running a promotion. We are running gifts.
Okay.
A draw at the end of the day. We will do 3 draws. Okay, in case you weren't here, okay, you can also follow our page on Facebook at the same time.
Okay.
And we will put all. Okay, this is our Facebook page. Milwaukee Tools Ghana. You can follow it. We will put the winning tickets on it. If you are available, you will just pick your prize and go.
Or win a 100 grand.
Let me tell you that we have 2 of the cut-off machines, 2 of the circular saw, 2 of the small hammer drill, 2 of the
This is what I'm talking about.
I have this.
Yeah, this one is really practical because we have two chucks. So with this, you can drill holes in concrete. It's an SDS plug. You can change the chuck, and you have this one to drill on aluminium and metal, on wood. This is a machine we can. It's a fuel machine. You know this fuel. We have this. It's a Milwaukee technology, and the fuel it's with 3 things in this fuel. You have the battery. Not this one. You have
Does the battery fits to any other batteries?
Exactly.
Meaning I don't need to buy extra batteries.
No.
Buy 18 volts.
For example,
buy 18
you have to
for
buy for this battery fits to more than 145 machines. Only this battery.
good.
Yes, it's an 18 volt, and we have many amps from 2 till 12 now. I mean 12, the biggest one. And with this battery, we have this is the fuel technology. We have the battery, the motor, and it links, and we have this chip inside that allows to customize
Yes.
and to to give the energy that needs. Now let me show you. Yes,
No.
exactly.
I have it already.
Oh,
I'm a technician, engineer.
all right. And see, it's easy to fix it.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Right.
Because I know.
I have only to change the position.
Ah, for
Now,
hammer.
now it's okay. Now it's okay.
This concrete.
This is for wood and metal.
Ah, this is just drilling.
When you see the hammer here, there is a percussion here. Now you see the sound is changed. Now you have to put this one for this.
You have to do only chiseling if you
for
want
your,
to.
if you want, yes, if you want a chisel, you
Only
have-
chiseling.
only chiseling. Now you can chisel. You put the chisel here and you chisel.
You have
and
the flat chisel.
flat chisel and pointed one. The flat one and pointed one.
You guys are.
And for the let me tell you about something. For the flat one, you know that the flat one is like this.
Yes.
And you can put it in any position you want.
Sometimes it changes.
It changes.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what I hate. So
And-
I want it to be
Like this
yes,
or like
all
this.
the time.
This is
what I
the
hate.
best option for this to change the position of the flat chisel. Now you see the chuck is free. You can put it in any position you want without, take it off and put it on. That you can,
That is very good.
and then you go back to your chiseling and okay. Brushless, soft grip, AVS, anti-vibration system. Anti-clockwise, clockwise.
What is the price? Let's talk about money. That's most important.
Yeah,
So it fits in the screwing too?
exactly. You can put it here, the screwdriver, and this one, it's really good for you because,
Also use concrete.
yeah,
But I don't like using this screwing for concrete. You know that?
this one is not for concrete. This one is for example, for masonry. Only for masonry. You can use this one only for masonry. But if you have concrete, you have to use this one. It's really strong. It's a few machine
I can
also.
feel it.
Yeah. Oh, you see how many
24.
Newton? 24. Exactly. So you can screw with it. You can drill on wood, metal, and
what I
masonry.
It's good.
And you see the important in this thing. The chuck also is important.
Can I remove?
Metal chuck.
Metal chuck.
Metal chuck.
Okay.
In the
It's not plastic.
competitors, sometimes you
Makita,
find
they use plastic.
plastic one.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
You see?
That's some Makitas too, and they
So-
get spoiled easily.
Exactly.
But now, what I really want is like a sewing iron, like you know what I mean. What the electricians are using with the master board, if they have a board.
Master board.
Yeah, like can I explain?
Just
I know it in Germany.
Okay.
In German, let me translate it and see. I'll get it right. This is my building I did.
All
last
right.
year.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah,
Really
only
nice.
wood. Yeah, thank
Really
you.
nice.
I did
Really
it last
nice.
year. That Georgia
Really nice.
Motors.
Really nice.
So I'm doing staircases. I need a sanding machine. I need all my machines.
Sanding machine.
Yeah, some of them got spoiled. A heavy
Okay.
one. Thank you.
Thank you,
I need a
sir.
heavy one. Like you see,
For sanding,
yes, Metabo had one.
Yeah.
Old type.
all the machines that you
Makita
need,
too.
we got them.
You have the sander here.
Here we don't have it. Maybe I can
It's
show.
like the flat one. You know the one that.
I think let me show you. We have here I have the catalog here.
Can you send me the catalog from you?
Yeah,
That
yeah.
would be nice. Yeah.
My name is Abdel Salam, and I'm in charge of the Western countries here, Western African countries. So I'm in charge of Ghana, Ivory Coast, and Senegal. So we represent the brand, the Milwaukee brand here, with our partner Jamal Hassan. So my position here, I'm a field executive. So my position is to give support to the sales team, training. This is my job here, and so we go to the sites, to the resellers, and we do our job to train the people, to present, to promote the brand. So here we have a range of our Milwaukee brand. We call this Force Logic. Why Force Logic? Because it works in a hydraulic system. Milwaukee, it's now produced from 1924. It's really one of the first brands in the world in the power tools. We developed a lot of technologies. The last one is the 18 volt wrench, the 12 volt wrench. It's a big wrench. We're the first to have, more than 145 power tool, machine working with the same battery. Talking about this battery. This battery fits in more than 145 tools. So just to give you an idea about these tools we have here. This is special tools, technical tools. This is to crimp for electricians. We have these cables and we have to connect the cables. So we have this tool with dice and we connect them in really few minutes, and it's so easy to fix, to crimp cables with this machine. It's a brushless machine, mean there's no carbon brush in it, so less maintenance. And we can do it in only one hand in a few seconds. This is about this machine. This machine, we call it the cable cutter. You see, we have blades, also with the same battery, working with the same battery here. So this machine is to cut cables, to cut plastic pipes also. It's a brushless machine. And we have the biggest one, the same category. It's a cutter, it's a cable cutter also. We have this one also. We call it the knockout punch for electrical. We call it the electrical boxes to make holes. Everybody knows the angle grinder also. So a lot of, a big range of machines. But the best thing is the M18 range that goes with more than 145 with the same battery. This is the most important thing to talk about. Now we don't enter into these technical things. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, we like to welcome you again here for the Milwaukee Open Day. Milwaukee have given us free prizes for today for the launching of Milwaukee over here at North Kaneshi Industrial Area. Those free prizes are given, and we've already given you tombola cards, and we have given it to all the people that has came and attended up to this time. We are going to do 3 draws. The first one is going now. Some of the people are still with us, and some of them has left because they came earlier, because we have started since 10 a.m. So we are going to do the draw right now. The number that we get, if the person is around, that means he can come straight and pick his prize. If the number we mentioned, the card owner is not over here, we are going to post all these winning tickets on our Facebook page. For the people that they already left, they can come later to claim their prizes. Okay, so the first gift that we are going to do the draw for it today, it's the PH27X, which is a hammer drill, an SDS hammer drill. Okay, and the winning ticket is 415. 415.
Ending by 415.
Okay. Okay.
Welcome. The other one below.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. And قرب لهون خض واصحاب. Okay, and right now the second gift is CS60, which is a circular saw, and the winning ticket is
453.
453.
453. That's what he needs also. He's the captain.
Let us just take a picture with you, please. كمال ما تحكي طفي. Okay, now we are going to do the draw for the angle grinder 2200 watt AG 22230, and the winning ticket is
403.
403. Anyway, John is not the winner. John will pick it for his customer. One of his customers came, he left the number with him.
Who's the customer?
And the customer bought a small angle grinder and he wanted the big one. لا 403. Okay, right now the last item for the first draw is the cutoff machine CH355. It's a cutoff machine of 355 mm.
422.
422.
422.
The winning ticket 422.
Thank you.
No, just hand the gift to us. Just hold it.
The winner is 410.
410.
410.
410.
It's not here.
Okay. Okay, so right now is the cutoff machine CHS355.
And the winner is 406.
406.
406. Everybody went home.
Okay. Now the final one, which is the SDS Max Combi Hammer K950.
That's the big one. Take it here.
404.
404.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. We are going to post the last 4 winners on the Facebook page, so they can come and claim for their prizes. Okay.